Welcome students. Last class we discussed about truth table. So simple revision on that one. To form a truth table for the given statement, we are going to use the logical connectivities, the truth table of or, the truth table of and so the conditional, truth table of conditional, table of biconditional tables we are going to use and will form a truth table. Today we are going to discuss about statement pattern, logical equivalence. Logical equivalence means two statement patterns will be given. Consider one is A. For example, two patterns. One is P and Q. We'll consider it is A. Then another one is negation of P implies negation of Q. This is considered as B. Now, when it is called equivalence, we have to find out the truth value of A, then truth value of B. If both are identical, both the truth values are identical, then you can say A is equivalence to B. We can say A is equivalence to B. Or otherwise we can say, instead of A is equivalence to B, you can say P and Q is equivalence to negation of P tends to negation of Q. Both are equivalent, you can say. So for this one, truth value we have to form. So for example, we are going to take the truth value of listen. We have to prove whether it is equivalent or not, we have to check. So the simple truth value, by using the known property only we are going to do. Now see this one. Here I have to show this one. Yes. Listen, we have to prove P tends to Q tends to P, negation of P, conditional table, here conditional table, to totally conditional table we have to use. So what is conditional table? For example, in the conditional table it will be, listen, P tends to Q. The table is, if both are true, this is also true. Listen, suppose the table, I am revise the table, P and Q, P to Q, if then. So if it is true, it is also true, that is also true. And true to false is false, and false to true is true, and false to false is false. It is a basic table for this one. So this table only everywhere we are going to use. Now listen, here this one, first P and Q are used here. So I am using P, true, false we have written. Then Q also we have written. Then left hand side you see, first I am naming the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to naming the columns. To find out the left hand side, we first of all Q to P, true, Q to P, first Q to P, it is order. So true, it is true. False to true is also true. True to false is false. False to false is true. So the table, the truth table of if then conditional we have used. Now next one, see the left hand side. To complete the left hand side, P to this one. So this is order, P to this. Yes, First one, true, true, so true. It is true, it is also true, so true. It is false, so that's why true. False, true, true is also true. So we have completed the left hand side. We have completed what are the values in the left hand side, we have completed. Now we will see the right hand side. Right hand side, what are the values we have to find out? We have to find out negation of P. To find out the right hand side, first we should know negation of P. So negation of P. P is true, true, false, false. Its negation will go to false, false, true, true. Its negation is going in this way. Now, P to Q. The P to Q. What is P? Listen. P value is P to Q. P to Q means, listen, true to true. That is true. And true to false. False. False to true. True. False to false. True. That is also completed. Now, in the right hand side, what do you have to do? Negation of P to this one. So, false to true is true. False to false is false. True to true is true. True to true is also true. The last statement is everything is true. Now, let us see this one. The left hand side answer is 4th column. The right hand side answer is 7th column. The column number 4 and 7 are identical. Therefore, these two statements are identical. Now listen, here we are using the conditional truth table of conditional property. So what is conditional property? P, Q, P tends to Q. If true, true, false, false. It is true, false, true, false. So it is true, false, false to true, true, false to false, true. So only this truth table only we are using. First P, Q, Q to P, Q to P, true, true, true. False to true, true. True to false, false. False to false. So everywhere we are using the same table. In order we are going to complete. So listen. Now let us see this one. Now we'll go for some more discussion. If any sum is given, first you consider this one. Here, what are the tables we have to use? First I am going to discuss about that one. What are the truth tables we have to use? See, listen, biconditional table we want for the left side. So I am discussing only the biconditional first. Biconditional, listen, that truth table of biconditional. Truth table of biconditional is, if P is true, Q is true, then it is true. And if both are false, then also it is true. All other condition it is false. So both are true, it is true. Both are false also it is true. All other condition it is valid. Now listen, to form this table we need P, Q, negation of P, negation of Q. So P value true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, negation of P, opposite of P and opposite of Q. Correct? So we have finished this much. Next one, left hand side I am going to find out. The 5th column left hand side. So biconditional table. What is biconditional table? If both are true, it is true. Both are false also it is true. So now P to Q. This two I am going to. Both are true. That's why it is true. True, false, false. False, true, false. False, false, true. It is the left hand side value. Then I am going to find out the right hand side value. If the right hand side and left hand side values are identical, the two columns are identical, then we can say these two are equivalent. So whether it is identical or not, we are going to see now. The right hand side, to find out the right hand side, what will be the columns? Listen, already P and Q we know. So P and Q we have to find out. then negation of P and negation of Q, that means and truth table of and we should know. Then for this two column we have to find out R. So and R column we should know. So that's why we are taking here the right hand side. I am going to take right hand side. So in the right hand side, while doing the right hand side, we should know two table. 1 minute. Yes, we should know two tables. Listen now. One is AND table. AND is P, Q. P and Q. Both are true. It will be true. All other cases it is false. If both are true, then only it is true. First one is true, second one is true, then it will be true. If any one is false, it is totally false. And PRQ table, PRQ table, listen, listen, P is PQ. If in this case R table, suppose both are false, it will be false. All other cases it will be true. Correct? All the three cases it is true. True, true, it is true. True, false, true. False, true is also true. Here both are true means true. All other cases it is false. Yes. Now we know the value of P already. What is P? True, true. False, false. That is P. And Q is true, false. True, false. So first one true and true, true. This is false, another one is also false. So both are true, that is true, and rest of everything is false. Correct? So next one, negation. Negation of P and negation of Q. So negation of P is what? False. Negation of P is false, false, true, true. It is false, true, false, true. So negation of P, false, 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 false and true, false, true and false, false, true, true, true. Last one is true. Correct? Now, listen, next one, we have to find out the condition. Next table is R. What is this one or this one? So to find out the R table, listen, wait. Yes, listen. Now this one, first one or second one, we have to find out first one or second one. What is the table R? Both are, if both are true, true. P, Q, both are true, it is true. True and false is also true. False and true is also true. Both are false, then it will be false. Both are false means it will be false. That is a table. So the sixth one and the condition, the sixth and seventh or condition we are going to apply. True and false, it is true. False, false, false. Both are false, false. False and true, true. Now it is right hand side value also we have found out. So left hand side and right hand side we are seeing the fifth column and column number 8. Both are identical columns. Same. First value true, then false, then true. So both are identical. That's why it is equivalent. These two, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can write the conclusion. Column 5 and column 8 are identical. Therefore both are, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is equivalent, we can prove. Now let us see the, suppose three values. Three values means you know very well. Suppose P, Q are given, the three values are given. Three values means P, Q and R. That these values are called prime components. The P, Q, R are called prime components. If three prime components are given, P, Q and R, or three prime components are given, then we have to take in this way Listen, true, 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 4 true, 4 false. To get all the possibilities, P is taken in this way, and we can take Q. Q is true, false, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. We have to take both are true, both are false. Then the third case you can consider this is true, false, true, false, true, false, alternately you can take. Then you will get all the possibilities. All the possibilities means all are true, all are false, true, true, false, false, all the possibilities you are going to get all the possibilities. Now listen, here see the sum. Now listen, the sum. See this one. Take the left hand side, P, Q and R. 3 prime components are used. P, Q, R are 3 prime components are used. In this one, P value, Q value, R value we have, P value, Q value, R value we have written. To find out the left hand side, first we have to do QRR and P2QR. This two you have to find out. Now R value means truth table of R. Truth table of R, if both are false, it will be false. All other cases it is true. Both are false, then it will be false. So Q and R, this one we are saying both are true, true, true and false, true, false and true, true, both are false, that's why it is false. True, 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 both are false, that's why it is false. Now listen, next one, the table is, next table is conditional table, the truth value of conditional. P2, that is, listen, it is P2, this one. What is a conditional table? Conditional table is both are true, it will be true. True to false is false, and false to true is true. False to false is also true. So true to false is false. Now listen, it is true, so true. It is true, true. Both are true. True to false, that is false. Next one, false to true, true. False to true, true. False to true, true. False to false is also true. So we have completed the left hand side value. Now let us see the right hand side. Right hand side, P to Q conditional, P to R conditional, then R table we have to use. So conditional table and R table you are going to use. Listen, first one will write P to Q. P to Q means, listen, the conditional table, see the conditional table, in the conditional table, if false, true to false is false, rest of everything is true. So first P to Q, it will be true, it will be true, it will be false, it will be false, it will be true, it will be true, it will be true, it will be true. There are two false will be there, correct? Now listen, see this one, these two are false. The same way P to R also, the similar way we are going to find out. Then the final one, the 6th column and 8th column, we have to use the R table. R table, both are false, then it will be false. All other cases it is true. So 6th column true, 7th column true, it is true. Then true and false true. So see the 4th column, both are false, false. Rest of everything is true. Now let us see this one. In this one, the column number 5 is the left hand side, column number 8 is the right hand side. The left hand side, so fifth column and eighth column are identical. Both the columns are identical. So we can say these two statements are equivalent. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both are equivalent. So today we have only discussed what is equivalent of two statements, pattern of statements. So simply to find out the truth table of left hand side, truth table of right hand side, if both are identical, we are going to write it is equivalent. So left hand side, if you consider left hand side statement is A, right hand side statement is B. So 3 4 columns, 1 2 3 4 columns will be there. Here also 2 3 columns will be there. So the columns, last columns are equal. We'll say left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. So then we can write the statement. Thank you.